shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark.
Oh
hello,
no.
Hello, turn
What?
around and show your fin. Red
Oops.
shark.
Aha.
Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
Wow.
Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark.
Whoa!
Orange shark, hello, hello, orange shark.
Yeah.
Hello, hello, orange shark.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh no.
Morning, morning, time to brush my teeth. Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you, and your one smile to me.
Oh, how do I brush my teeth? Am I doing it?
Oh no, someone ruined my cake. I feel so angry.
Wow.
Someone ate my
Yes.
cake. Oopsie, oopsie, I know this feeling. I will take it away.
Wow!
Now you have no pink color looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Blue color looks so cool.
Aww.
Pink color makes me fly. La 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 la. Blue color can fly too. La 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 la. Let's fly. Oh no no. Pink.
Wow! Fantastic!
Pink. Which one's
Yeah.
better? What
Good
is
job!
Magic water
Aww.
toy.
Stop!
Magic
Yeah.
water toy. It takes the colors away. All I have to do is splash, splash this way.
Blue! Pink!
I lost my perfect color. What can I do?
Fantastic!
Green color. Where
Yeah.
are you? Hello, hello, cherry, where are you? Come outside with us. It's such a pretty day, let's go and play. Okay, I'm on my
Wow.
way.
We make a mess, dirty, dirty mess.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yucky, yucky mess.
Yeah.
Sexy, come live with us. Roll just like it's dirty. Roll just like
Ouch.
it's smelly. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Ooh, yucky, yucky, yuck. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. Insects.
Whoa! Oh no!
Red, show me something red. Red, 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 red. Open it, don't be sad.
So many colors around, it's hard to know them all. Let's see which ones you have found. Big things and oh so small. Pink and blue and green and red.
Excellent.
Magic water toy.
Yeah!
Magic water toy. It takes the colors
Wow.
away. All I have to do is splash,
What?
splash this way. I lost my perfect color. What can I do? Green, green color. Where are you? Magic fruits will help me now. Red or pink, yellow or blue.
Whoa!
Or green, which one to choose?
Woo-hoo-hoo.
I'll
Fantastic.
pick green, green, I love you. Magic water. Oh, someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made
What?
a mess.
Oops!
I didn't know a vegetable could be this fancy.
A pumpkin is technically a fruit.
You know so much of everything.
I really do.
The chipmunk is right. It is a fruit. Now, could I have a little quiet, please? There's an artist at work.
Thorn!
Now what?
We need your help!
I'm in the middle of creating great art here.
But it's an emergency! The festival itself is in trouble!
Fine. Bucky, I'm leaving you in charge of my creation. Don't let anything happen to it.
You can count on me, Chef Thorn. Ow! Ellery, what are you doing in there?
Nothing. Don't get your tail in a tangle. I'm coming out. Oh, I think I'm stuck.
I'm not sure what you want me to do, Thistle. My speciality is cooking, not moles.
Just don't throw me in the soup pot!
Molly! I came as soon as I heard.
Zinnier! Oh, thank goodness you're here. Can you and Spearmint pull Molly out?
I don't think so. When Molly's stuck, she's stuck. Maybe we should cancel the fall festival.
What about all these fun and easy games? Like acorn in a basket? Okay, not so easy. Don't forget this amazing game. Anyone care to guess how many seeds there are in here?
244.
All right, that was a little too easy. Death, how about a game of leaf tic-tac-toe? Oh, I don't feel right playing games while poor Molly's stuck. Oh.
What a cozy circle. You know, this reminds me of the time I accidentally popped up in the middle of the Royal Toad's Midsummer Feast. It was a
Thistle, don't go!
surprises.
Are you okay, Thistle? I wanted my first fall festival to be perfect. But when Molly came, it changed everything. I know what you mean. Sometimes things don't go the way you planned, but they can still be fun. Please come back. Why, Rose? There is nothing for me to do anymore. Of course there is. You can help us think about how to get Molly out. Molly makes a game out of being stuck, but the truth is, no one likes to be stuck. A game? Rose, that's it!
That's it. You have messed up enough of my creations, Chipmunk. I need to chisel you out of there.
But you might accidentally ruin my beautiful fur.
That's a chance I'll have to take.
Oh, I can't look.
Oh, stop! What if we just roll the pumpkin down to the festival with Ellery inside? Like, he's the art.
What? And when everyone gets through gawking at this pumpkin art, what am I supposed to do? Live trapped in a pumpkin forever?
I don't have a better idea. Bucky, let's roll.
New game. It's called Tug of Molly. On the count of 3, everyone pull as hard as they can. Ready? But what if we fall into that mud? You get dirty.
Well, what if I sneeze when I'm pulling?
You sneeze. Lilybuds, there are always going to be a few problems, even when you plan perfectly. Molly, this year you are the festival. But let's get you out so you can play some games with us. 1, 2, 3.
Ow, 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 ow! Easy! Valuable chipmunk inside!
Pull harder! We can't do it!
Ow, 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 ow!
Run away, pumpkin!
I'm sorry, Chef Thorn.
It's all right, Bucky. You didn't know the pumpkin would roll away. Ellery's probably going to chew his way out and fry up that pumpkin for dinner.
Thorn, you're a genius. Frying means oil.
I thought I'd be called a genius for my art project, not my grapeseed oil, but here goes.
Tastes delicious. Let's hope it does the trick. Could someone give me a hand? Oh my, it feels good to be out of there. Thank you.
Another new game? The slip and slide game? This is the best fall festival ever!
3 cheers for Thistle. Hop, hop, hooray!
Anybody out there? Could use a little help.